Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Denise Huang, Senior Vice President of Business Development at the Taiwan Futures Exchange, to discuss investor appetite for the futures market in Taiwan. Denise, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thank you, me too.
Good to see you. Can you please share about the futures market in Taiwan relating to investor profile and appetite?
Yes. As end of November 2023, TAIEX marked the fourth consecutive year of trading over 300 million contracts. The average daily volume ADV is more than 1.3 million contracts. So far this year, we are seeing close to 1.4 million ADV as we slowly and steadily head towards a more mature growth phase. Additionally, the ADV in the night session accounted for more than 30% of the total volume. The consistent growth in trading volume reflects the growing interest and confidence in our market. Our flagship TAIEX options continues to be the most traded contracts, accounting for more than half of the trading volume, followed by mini TAIEX futures and single stock futures and TAIEX futures. Altogether, the TAIEX product family, which includes TAIEX options, TAIEX futures, and mini TAIEX futures, make up 80% of our trading volume. In addition, I'd like to talk a bit more about T+1 trading session. We launched T+1 session back in 2017 with a view to provide our market participants a facility to timely speculate or hedge the positions in reaction to the global events happening elsewhere in the world. For example, in March 2020, where the world experienced huge market volatility, we averaged over 7,000 contracts traded nightly. This year, we saw about 417,000 contracts traded every night, accounting for 30% of the market's total volume, rising from 5% at its first launch. This indicates there is a continued significant demand and interest for after-hours trading session in Taiwan. Regarding the investment profile, the individual investors are the largest group of participants, showing a steady ratio of around 48% to 50% since the year 2007 and 18. We also have a strong foreign investor base that accounts for more than 30% of the market, a 10% growth rate from year 2019. We also observed the night session has attracted new participants into the futures market. These investors did not trade in both the stock and the futures market before, and now start their trading in the night session. The percentage of individuals in the night session trading is around 60% higher than 50% in the day session. For smaller contracts such as mini TAIEX futures, we have more individuals. The individuals tend to trade not only smaller, but also shorter contracts. Therefore, we'll see more individuals in weekly options than monthly contracts. Another interesting observation is that of the new account openers, young generations aged under 40s occupy more than 55%, indicating young generations favor active investment strategies and innovative products. The growing generation in the futures market bring more volumes, particularly in smaller and shorter contracts. That is consistent with the trendy development in the international exchanges. Nonetheless, it's also the challenges, particularly in an individual-oriented market like TAIEX. Therefore, while on one hand, due to smaller and even shorter contracts, we cannot overemphasize the importance of market education and risk awareness, and at the same time conduct more risk management practices and measures. That's the profile in Taiwan.
TAIEX is highly respected as an innovative product provider. It's not the first time that TAIEX and Nasdaq are working together to provide local investors in Taiwan simple investment tool taping, the opportunities of the global markets. Tell us the success of the TAIEX Nasdaq 100 futures launch in 2019, and what's the key investment benefits of TAIEX Philex semiconductor sector futures?
Our partnership with Nasdaq has been a remarkable success. Back in 2019, we opened up the cooperation dialogue with Nasdaq to introduce the world's first offshore Nasdaq 100 index futures, Taiwan Nasdaq 100 futures, to provide Chinese traders for hedging the volatile global technology supply chains on one of Asia's most forefront trading venues. The product features a small country size and new Taiwan dollar denomination. Taiwanese traders able to implement intermarket strategies between Taiwan and the US. Further, it strengthens TAIFEX's ability to cater to the growing demand in Taiwan and Asia Pacific for offshore technology sector exposure, including the popular FAN stocks. TAIFEX Nasdaq 100 futures traded over 5,000 a day in 2022 and over 3,000 in 2023. It is the most active international product in TAIFEX. The cooperation results in a winning situation for both exchanges by creating the synergy on Nasdaq international reach and TAIFEX niche in local and Asian markets. This year, TAIFEX again, in collaboration with Nasdaq and CME Group, is set to launch the TAIEX Philadelphia Semiconductor Sector Futures, SOX futures, on December 18th. This strategic move expands TAIFEX product to extensively line up the sector and equity futures, covering Taiwan and US semiconductor and technology industries, including Taiwan Semiconductor 30 futures, electronic sector index futures, Nasdaq 100 futures, and single stock futures on TSMC and other related stocks. The semiconductor industry, referred to the new oil of the 21st century, serves as a pivotal catalyst for global technological advancement, particularly when the world is facing the geopolitical uncertainties, the subtle diplomatic relations, and Ukrainian and Israel-Gaza wars. The Philadelphia Conductor Sector Index is one of the most renowned and widely tracked indexes in the technology sector. The index constituents, including NVIDIA, AMD, Micron, SML, and Intel, among 30 US technology giants, have strong ties with leading electronic and technology companies in Taiwan, ranging across a wide spectrum of investment themes, such as artificial intelligence, high-speed computing, metaverse, and autonomous driving. Traders can incorporate the SOX futures into their strategies alongside other TAIFEX products, such as Taiwan Semiconductor 30 futures, electronic sector futures, and testing futures, to actively participate in the flourishing semiconductor investment trend. TAIFEX SOX futures with Taiwan dollar denomination and small size of 10,000 US dollars, available in regular and night session, is expected to cope with the market demand and bring new forces into the market. We expect this will be another successful product that we work closely with Nasdaq.
And Denise, how do you see the futures market in 2024, and what are TAIFEX strategies and priorities in order to meet investors' needs?
Thank you. Our strategies and priorities can be enlightened in several aspects. In product side, as we will launch Philadelphia Semiconductor Sector Futures on December 18th. In addition, seeing Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing industry is a key driver behind the performance. We will have stock futures on TSMC, including the standard and the winner size, will be available during night session in early 2024. Later on, we will add more other contracts, such as UMC, to complement the trading needs in both markets. We also plan to introduce the flexible contracts, FLEX, on tax futures and tax options next year. These contracts allow investors to customize contract specifications, such as expiration date and strike prices of tax futures and tax options, the two most actively traded contracts in TAIFEX, to provide investors with more flexibility and control over their risk management and trading strategies. This is how we meet the needs of shorter and different expiration contracts of the participants. We'll also add up a wide suite of mini single stock futures to offer participants more granularity in trading strategies, and by making risk management tools more accessible for both big and small investors. In trading and clearing mechanism, we launched the OTC derivatives claim services in July 2022, offering $1 IRS central claim service for claim members, and further extended to the service to Taiwan denominated IRS and NDF central claim service for claim members, priority transactions, and client transactions in July this year. Next year, we will continue to work closely with the regulator to have mandatory clearing services to $10 IRS for all market participants. We will also streamline our regulatory regime to be in line with the international standards, as well as introduce more international practices. In terms of international cooperation and promotions, we have witnessed an increasing trend of cross-border trading and connectivity among exchanges. To adapt to the changing landscape, we're continuing to seek collaboration with other exchanges worldwide, including product offerings, information, experience sharing, index-based development, and promotions. Nasdaq is particularly one of the very partners we would like to have further collaborations. Additionally, we'll continue to conduct overseas roadshows and engage with international investors, highlighting the edges of our market. On the ESG front, we recently launched an integrated ESG information platform to promote sustainable development in our futures industry. The platform discloses the FTSE Russell ESG rating, corporate governance, education indicators, as well as volume of interest information on ESG products. We'll continue to add more ESG-related information in the platform. As more investors prioritize sustainability and ethical concerns, we can expect to see greater demand for products that are tied to ESG compliant assets and investment strategies. Therefore, we will continue to work with index companies to bring more ESG indexes and further introduce contracts on the potential indexes. TAIEX's mission is to continue driving the expansion of the market, Taiwan derivatives market, while meeting the ever-changing needs of our participants. We have been sparing no efforts on fulfilling our mission when the exchange debuted 25 years ago in 1998. And we will continue to do this in the next 25 years and beyond. Thank you.
All right, Denise, we appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.